Take a ride in the 2015 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.